So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now, you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in Xbox. Now, you're going to click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now, you're going to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're going to close out of this. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.